Welcome to my channel KGE. Today I'm gonna show you how to assemble this microwave kitchen cart. And the door, this is the door. Okay, how it's gonna go, it is this way. You see this part goes right here, and these two here, so this is like this. Okay, and tight this screw, and the other side, this side I will show you, it's gonna go right here. I was talking about the door. You need a screw, hinge, a small screw, and this one. So this is the hinge I'm talking about. How to put the hinge, I will show you. This is S, the hinge, and T screw. That's all you need to put the hinge. And this is the door, and this is the front side. I already showed you. Like this. This is the hole. It's gonna go like this. Okay. So now I'm gonna do this one first, and then I'm gonna do other side on the door. So this is like this. Just like this. This side gonna go to the door. Okay, so this is done now. You see the doors. This is the magnet. I'm gonna screw it right here in the corner of the door. Bottom to pull it. It will go here, right here. And the other side, it's gonna go right here. This is the door knob. Screw from inside, and the knob is outside.